Welcome to Art of. Let's create some magic together, enhance the colors, and give this image a dramatic mood. Ready? Let's go! First, duplicate the background layer, and then use the selective color adjustment layer to enhance colors and light. First, we will enhance the reds. Now, let's improve the work with the yellow tones. Actually, the reds and the yellows will enhance the colors on the skin and some parts of the background. Let's move to the blues now, and I will push it to be more of a teal tone. Time for lights. Let's start with whites. I will bring slightly the highlights by decreasing the blacks on the scale. Now for neutrals, it will be the overall tint here, and I will darken slightly the midtones by increasing the blacks slightly on the scale. Finally, the blacks. Let's create more contrast and add a more bluish tint to the shadows. Time to create a curves adjustment layer to pop the photo more by creating more contrast. Decrease the shadows and increase the midtones slightly on the main curve. Now let's work with the reds curve. I will decrease slightly the reds on the highlights. And finally, the blue curve. Here I will increase the blue more on highlights and shadows and bring back the midtones to the center. Now, create a new layer and we will make her eyes pop with a blue color. We will paint over her eyes on the Iris 1 layer with a white brush. Make sure that the opacity of the brush is set to 100% and resize the brush to match the size of the iris. We don't need it to be really accurate as we will fix it later. Just set the hardness around 40% or 50%, then simply paint over the iris. Now change the blend mode to overlay. Then let's add an effect, the color overlay. In the new tab, make sure that the blend mode is set to overlay. Then let's change the color. Of course, you can pick any color you like. In this case, I will pick a bluish color, then click OK. Now, time to refine it. Simply create a mask on the Iris 1 layer and use the black brush tool to remove the unwanted area affected by the iris color. Now, I will set the opacity to 80%. Let's create a new layer again, and we will add some catchlight. It will be a really minor adjustment, so again I will paint with a white brush, then set the blend mode to soft light. Let's set those two layers in a group and rename it Eyes. Now let's put all the layers that we created into one group and rename it Edit 1. Let's duplicate the new group and rename it Camera Raw Filter, then transform it into a smart object. Now let's go to Filter, then Camera Raw Filter. In the Camera Raw filter, we will work more with the colors, so we will adjust the color mixer. I will adjust the hue, saturation, and luminance. You can check my adjustments. I will enhance the skin tones by adjusting their hue, color, and luminosity, and I will also do some minor adjustments on the background blue tint. The goal is to create more contrast of colors between the subject and the background. Now, let's do some minor adjustments on the calibration panel. Once we are done, click OK and go back to the main Photoshop interface. Now, let's create a more dramatic mood by darkening some parts of the image. Pick the Lasso Select tool and select the lights on her right side. Once the selection is done, create a new Curves adjustment layer and decrease the midtones until the difference becomes really visible. While the mask is selected, invert it by pressing Ctrl+I on Windows or Command+I on Mac. Now increase the feather. Let's refine the dramatic mood by manipulating the curve. Let's create a vibrance layer. I will decrease slightly the vibrance and add some saturation. Create a new curves layer to finalize our editing. This is optional. I will just add some slight contrast and enhance slightly the overall lights on the image. Now set all those new layers into a group and rename it Colors and Lights. If you are still here, I will be so glad if you subscribe, as it encourages me to upload more videos. You can check out other videos about easy skin retouching, or even some tricks about photography with a low budget. You are all welcome. As always, may we meet again.